Have you ever looked at your tiny balcony, small patio, or sunny windowsill and thought, I wish I had enough space to grow my own vegetables? Well, here's some exciting news. You don't need a big backyard to enjoy a productive vegetable garden. In fact, some vegetables actually grow better in containers than they do in traditional garden beds. Yes, you heard that right. Growing vegetables in pots gives you more control over soil quality, watering, sunlight, drainage, and even pests. Instead of fighting poor garden soil or invasive weeds, you can create the perfect growing environment for each plant. Whether you live in an apartment, a small house, or simply want an easier way to garden, container gardening can provide fresh, healthy vegetables right outside your door. Today's countdown features 15 vegetables that thrive in containers more than they do in the ground. Some of these may surprise you. We'll explain why each vegetable performs so well in containers, how to grow it successfully, common mistakes to avoid, and tips that can dramatically increase your harvest. Make sure to stay until the end, because the number one vegetable is one of the easiest and most productive plants you can grow in a pot, and many gardeners unknowingly make mistakes that reduce its yield. Now, let's begin. Number 15, radishes. Radishes may be small, but they're one of the most rewarding vegetables for container gardeners. These fast-growing root vegetables can go from seed to harvest in as little as 3 to 5 weeks, making them perfect for beginners. One of the biggest advantages of growing radishes in containers is soil control. Garden soil often contains rocks, clay, or compacted areas that prevent radish roots from developing properly. Instead of growing into smooth, round bulbs, they become twisted, cracked, or stunted. A container eliminates these problems. By filling a pot with loose, well-draining potting mix, you give radishes exactly what they need to grow quickly and evenly. Choose a container that's at least 6 inches deep. Although radishes aren't large plants, their roots still need room to expand. Containers with drainage holes are essential because standing water can quickly cause root rot. Plant seeds about 1/2 inch deep and 1 inch apart. Once seedlings emerge, thin them to allow enough space for each bulb to develop. Crowded radishes rarely produce good roots. Radishes love cool temperatures. They're ideal for spring and fall, although gardeners in mild climates can grow them throughout much of the year. Provide at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Keep the soil consistently moist, but never soggy. One reason containers outperform garden beds is watering precision. Instead of depending on unpredictable rainfall, you control exactly how much moisture the plants receive. This consistency produces sweeter, more tender radishes. Harvest promptly. Leaving mature radishes in the soil too long often makes them woody and spicy. With containers, harvesting is incredibly simple. Just pull the entire plant straight out without digging. You can even sow new seeds every week for a continuous harvest throughout the season. Number 14, green onions. Green onions, also called scallions, are among the easiest vegetables anyone can grow. They're incredibly forgiving and adapt beautifully to container life. Unlike many vegetables, green onions don't require deep soil. A container that's 6 to 8 inches deep works perfectly. Their compact root system means you can grow dozens of plants in a relatively small space. One of the greatest benefits of container gardening is accessibility. Place your pot near your kitchen door, on a balcony, or even on a sunny windowsill. Whenever you need fresh green onions for soups, salads, eggs, noodles, or stir-fries, simply step outside and snip a few leaves. The plant continues producing new growth. This cut-and-come-again habit makes green onions incredibly productive. Containers also reduce weed competition. In traditional gardens, weeds compete with onions for nutrients and moisture. Inside containers, maintenance becomes much easier. Use rich potting mix with compost for the best growth. Feed lightly every few weeks using a balanced liquid fertilizer. Avoid overwatering. While onions appreciate consistent moisture, constantly wet soil can encourage disease. Harvest when stalks reach pencil thickness. You don't always need to remove the entire plant. Simply trim the green tops and allow the white bulbs to continue growing. Many gardeners even regrow store-bought green onions by placing the roots in water for several days before transplanting them into containers. Within weeks, you'll have an endless supply of fresh scallions. Number 13, lettuce. If there were an award for the easiest leafy vegetable to grow in containers, lettuce would certainly be a top contender. Lettuce has shallow roots, grows rapidly, and doesn't require large pots. More importantly, containers help solve one of lettuce's biggest problems: heat. Garden soil absorbs and stores heat during hot weather, often causing lettuce to bolt. Bolting means the plant quickly produces flowers instead of tender leaves, making the foliage bitter. Containers allow gardeners to move plants into partial shade during hot afternoons. That simple advantage can extend your harvest by weeks. Choose a container that's at least 6 inches deep and wide enough for multiple plants. Leaf lettuce varieties work especially well because you can harvest individual leaves while the plant continues growing. This method provides fresh salads for weeks from a single planting. Use fertile, moisture-retaining potting mix. Lettuce needs consistent moisture to remain crisp and sweet. Never allow the soil to dry completely. Mulching the surface with straw or shredded leaves can help retain moisture even in containers. Provide morning sun and afternoon shade if temperatures regularly exceed 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Harvest outer leaves first. This encourages continuous production while allowing the center to keep growing. Many gardeners make the mistake of harvesting the entire head at once. Instead, picking leaves gradually gives much longer harvest periods. Succession planting every 2 weeks ensures you'll always have fresh lettuce available. With container gardening, rotating new pots into production is simple and efficient. Number 12, spinach. Spinach is another cool season vegetable that performs exceptionally well in containers. Like lettuce, spinach dislikes excessive heat. Containers allow you to move plants into cooler locations whenever temperatures rise. This flexibility significantly improves leaf quality. Spinach prefers rich soil packed with organic matter. Using premium potting mix gives it a major advantage over many garden beds where nutrients may already be depleted. A container 8 inches deep provides enough space for healthy root development. Plant seeds directly into the container. Spinach doesn't always transplant well. Space seeds about 2 inches apart and thin seedlings as they grow. The young leaves you remove during thinning can be eaten as baby spinach. One reason container-grown spinach often outperforms garden spinach is cleanliness. Rain frequently splashes soil onto leaves in garden beds, increasing disease risk. Containers reduce soil splash, keeping leaves cleaner and healthier. Water regularly. Spinach grows best when soil remains evenly moist. However, avoid leaving water standing in saucers beneath containers. Roots require oxygen as much as they need water. Feed with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer every few weeks. Nitrogen promotes lush, leafy growth, the part of the plant you'll be harvesting. Pick outer leaves first. Never remove more than 1/3 of the plant at one time. This allows continuous growth throughout the season. Young spinach leaves are sweeter, more tender, and packed with vitamins A, C, and K, making them one of the healthiest vegetables you can grow at home. Outro for part 1 so far. We've counted down vegetables 15 through 12. Radishes, green onions, lettuce, spinach. Each of these vegetables proves that you don't need a traditional garden to grow fresh, healthy food. In many cases, a simple container offers better soil control, easier maintenance, fewer weeds, and healthier harvests. But we're just getting started. In the next part, we'll reveal vegetables #11 through #8, including several incredibly productive crops that can provide harvests for months from just a single pot. If you're enjoying this countdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more gardening tips and growing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.